One whole set mode is include PL145 Leader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 12 pieces. 12 pieces main mode. 12 pieces main mode. This one is assembled on this place. Assembled on this place. And the punch, there is a for the cyanic oil. This one is for the cyanic oil. Cyanic oil is assembled. Cyanic oil is assembled this place. Cyanic oil is assembled this place. And then there's crescent cutting. There's crescent. Crescent is this board. Crescent is this board. Different size. This board different. This is size different. This is crescent board. And then after that, then you is punching. Punching this one. Punch is here. Punch is this place. Assemble on this place. There are many parts for the punching. Many parts for the punching. Here for the punching. All for the punching. You see these parts and 2 pieces of this and here. For the punching. For the punching. And also there are some, and also this one. For the punching. And there is simple the main mode. The main mode is here. 12 pieces main mode. And here, and this one is for the first fold. First fold mode. First fold. First fold. First fold in this place. In this place. First fold is this place. This place. And the hotel. Hotel heating. Hotel heating. Hotel heating in this place. Hotel 1, hotel 2. And then assemble this one. This one is 2 parts. This 2 parts is this place. This 2 parts is this place. This place. And then the learning. And then the learning. The learning is the learning wheel and the learning button. The learning cover. Learning cover is on this place. On this place. And also the learning wheel on this place. Okay, here is the board parts. After that, there is a collector for the packing machine. For the packing machine. For the packing machine. Small size and big size and big size. There's small size and big size and simple. This is for big size. And here, this one is another mode. Another mode. Of course, there are punching. There are hole punching. Hole punching. Okay, well, now we can start to assemble the mode. 好吧。